EasyCam has helped businesses since 1982 by making manufacturing faster and easier. Its powerful yet simple-to-use milling and turning solutions drive manufacturing excellence for companies of all sizes. Using EasyCam in your process means faster turnaround, lower costs, and a sharper competitive edge. EasyCam is a complete milling and lathe solution, faster, easier, and more affordable. Powered by decades of feedback from industry professionals around the world, helping you hit cycle start sooner and to deliver world-class parts with confidence. And for demanding customers, EasyCam delivers the efficiency you need to thrive in high-throughput environments. EasyCam is designed with clarity, so navigating the interface feels like second nature. After launching EasyCam, you'll land on the home screen, your central hub to instantly open recent projects, start something new, or check out the latest features. Everything you need is just a click away. Whether you're new to CAM entirely or just getting started with EasyCam, you'll appreciate helpful tool tips with clear videos that make the interface easy to learn. Our wizards keep things simple by presenting only what's essential to build a complete program, with images to show what specific inputs affect. Advanced features like fixture offsets, toolpath patterns, and fourth axis options stay tucked away until you need them. Lots of thought has been put into keeping your work efficient. And in EasyCam, the most commonly used tools and data are clustered together on the right in a clutter-free experience. Everything is accessible when you need it, without your mouse traveling miles per day. Traditionally, defining boundaries for toolpaths meant tedious and error-prone work, with lots of clicking or having to manually create geometry. EasyCam changes the game with feature recognition. Just click on the model, and EasyCam intelligently and automatically determines your toolpath boundaries, saving hours every week. Now let's take a deep dive into the core of what makes EasyCam amazing for your business: the toolpaths. Built from the ground up for high-speed machining, or HSM, EasyCam's modern toolpaths help your bottom line in 4 key ways. High-speed machining uses higher spindle speeds and feed rates to drastically reduce machining time. That means quicker turnarounds and more parts off the machine, ideal for tight deadlines or scaling production. With lighter, consistent chip loads and reduced heat buildup, tools wear more evenly and last longer. That means less frequent tool changes, more spindle uptime, and lower consumable costs. The smooth, continuous motion of high-speed machining reduces vibrations and tool deflection, giving you cleaner finishes, tighter tolerances, and less need for secondary operations. And finally, high-speed machining is especially effective on hard-to-machine materials like titanium, Inconel, and hardened steels, expanding the scope of materials you can provide. For your high-performance 3D jobs, our intuitive machining wizard delivers advanced strategies with ease. Equidistant finishing for molds, constant Z-paths ideal for vertical walls, and morph finishing for standout aesthetics. These are just a few of the dozens of machining strategies you can use to efficiently machine beautiful parts of any complexity. Once your tool paths are dialed in, it's time to simulate. EasyCam creates a full digital twin of your machining environment, including fixtures, parts, tool holders, chucks, and more. This robust 3D simulation catches collisions and gouges before they happen, protecting your valuable equipment and work holding. And if you find an issue, it's easy to figure out what machining operation needs to be modified to fix it. With confidence in your setup, you're ready to hit cycle start. EasyCam includes an industry-proven library of post-processors, with support for over 100 machine types, including Fennec, Siemens, and Haas. And if you have a unique machining environment, need to support custom parameters, are working through upgrading your controllers, or are using specialized accessories, EasyCam's experts are here to help fine-tune a post-processor for your setup. We get machinists, and we know if you're having an issue, time is money. Trying to describe a problem over email and playing phone tag sucks in any industry. But when mills and lathes are sitting idle, your bottom line is affected. That's why EasyCam takes customer support to a whole other level. We take a real-time approach. You can screen share with us right from EasyCam while talking with us on the phone, so we can see what you're seeing and troubleshoot with you in real time to get you up and running again. We also make it super easy to share your files with us if needed, and are happy to make a custom walkthrough video for your questions so you can see the solution and reference it later. If your issue isn't time sensitive, you can also use built-in tools to just screen record what's happening and send it over to us, so you don't need to type out a huge email. No more phone tag. No more explaining complex issues through email. Just show us, and we've got your back. We love making things simple for you, and that philosophy is everywhere in your interaction with EasyCam. It's easy to buy. You can grow your capabilities over time with easy upgrades. And you can choose to own a forever license or start with a subscription, whatever makes sense for your business. EasyCam cares about your success. We are your partner, like adding another engineer to your team. With intuitive tools crafted over 40 years of industry feedback, proven performance, and support always within reach, we help your business stay lean, fast, productive, and profitable.